How to cancel Roblox Premium. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in this video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your Roblox Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if you want to cancel your Roblox Premium, let's say you have a premium subscription, it's very simple to do this. Now you can repeat the process from your mobile app, from your mobile browser, from your desktop browser, or from your desktop app, or from your Mac, or whatever operating systems you're using. It doesn't really matter. If you're using from your browser, just go to roblox.com. I will also make sure to drop a link below. Or if you're actually using from the app, just open the Roblox app and sign in. There's nothing so difficult about it. All right, so now to begin with the cancellation of our account, once you go to roblox.com and sign in, of course you're going to see this type of interface where you have to tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three lines icon, at the bottom you can see the premium tab. Now currently in my case I do not have premium, but if you do have premium, then you will find the premium button here. You just need to tap on the premium option. When you go to the premium option, then basically you will find the option to cancel your premium Roblox membership. And that is it for this video on how you can cancel your Roblox membership. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.